bend and offset in 2½ inch rigid conduit, you will need the following materials: a 2½ inch rigid conduit, a conduit bender with a 2½ inch offset shoe, pipe bender lubricant, a measuring tape or ruler, and an adjustable wrench or crescent wrench. Here are the steps. Firstly, measure and mark the offset distance. Determine the desired offset distance and mark it in the conduit using a measuring tape or ruler. Secondly, apply lubricant. Apply a generous amount of pipe bender lubricant to the shoe and the inside surface of the conduit at the bend point. Thirdly, place the conduit in the bender. Insert the conduit into the offset shoe, aligning the marked offset point with the center of the shoe. Fourthly, bend the conduit. Slowly and evenly bend the conduit by turning the handle of the bender. Continue bending until the desired offset angle is achieved. Fifthly, check the offset. Measure the offset distance using a measuring tape or ruler to ensure accuracy. Adjust the bend if necessary. Sixthly, remove the conduit from the bender. Carefully remove the conduit from the bender. If you do not have a conduit bender, consider renting one from the following sources. Firstly, local plumbing supply stores. Some plumbing suppliers may offer rental services for conduit benders. Secondly, tool rental shops. Look for independent tool rental shops that specialize in plumbing or electrical equipment. Thirdly, specialty contractors. Contact local plumbing or electrical contractors to inquire if they rent out conduit benders. Note it is important to use a conduit bender specifically designed for 2½ inch rigid conduit to avoid damaging the pipe.